Namaste, Arpita here again. Thanks for being with me. If you think you're smart, you're intelligent, then this video is definitely for you. Stick with me till the end and I'll explain to you all about it. In my previous video, I had mentioned I didn't know who is the guru and what is the importance of guru in one's life. However, on one fine day, due to my ancestors' blessings, my good deeds from the previous lives, and most importantly, Sri Swami Darshanpuran Anandji Maharaj's grace, through Sanjiv Malik sir and my mom, I got accepted at His Holiness's feet. And I became a disciple. I am a Gurumukh now. So the very next step for me was to explore and learn who is the guru and what role he or she play in our lives. So as usual, I started to read and listen to collect a whole lot of information. And with my small intellect, I came up with a conclusion. My understanding was we have this ultimate authority, the creator, and guru is right below that. I mean, the difference between the two is not even a fraction. It's for the namesake, it's a two separate entity, but not really. And guru is a bridge or a ladder for us to reach the ultimate authority, the creator. So I came up with a plan to establish a direct communication with the creator, meditate on it, and merge in it. I thought it was very definite, doable plan. And by the way, in the history of mankind, very few handful of individuals have attained perfection without guru's supervision. However, they had a guru in their previous births, and in those lives, they had attained such a high spiritual growth due to hard penance, sadhanas, such practices. So that spiritual growth continued in the present life where they didn't need a guru and they became guru themselves. But again, it's a very rare anomaly. However, for my intellect, this plan I had was doable and I was going for it. Not until my Sri Sadguru Maharaji got the memo that I have derailed. I can't fathom how having millions of followers, disciples, he keeps track of each and every one of us. And every time I have a question, I have doubt, he sends me guidance, either through downloading some information, through Sanjiv Malik sir's satsangs or Sanjiv Malik sir's videos. But I get my answers. So one day I sat down to do my Simran, and all of a sudden this information is downloaded in me, clearing up my confusion. So the original plan was to meditate on the creator, merge in it, and never separate again. Well, there is no guarantee to that. Down the line, in my peaceful state, restful state, I could have a seed of desire, a wave of thought, cause me to separate again and restart the cycle of lives and births. And the creator is non-judgmental. It will not stop you to create or experience your own reality. So that was my plan, and what my Sadguru made me understood that if I find refuge at His Holiness's feet, he will always look after me. He will have my back no matter what, life after lives. He will show me my defects, make me work on my weaknesses, correct my mistakes, and become a better version of myself until I get perfected like him. And that once I perfect, then the cycle of life and birth does not matter. So that is a guarantee that if I find refuge at His Holiness's feet, if I surrender to His Holiness, my Shri Sadguru Maharaj Ji, then I am taken care of forever. I love that guarantee, and the case was very clear. And so I hope it's also clearing up some confusion on your end if you had similar question or confusion like me. Thank you so much for watching me. And again, you can have the information and understanding, but the understanding is not completely understood without the grace of Sadguru Maharaj Ji. And therefore, I do millions and millions bow down to my Shri Sadguru Maharaj Ji. Om Shri Paramhansaya Namaha.